Hello and Happy New Year, everyone. This is Jason Santos, your teacher for practical research. And today, let us answer a question from one of our students. No? So, hello, sir. Napanood ko yung discussion niyo sa practical research to understanding data and ways to systematically collect data. Pwede po bang mahingi ang answer nung nasa lesson 7? There are actually two questions here, so I will be splitting the video into two parts. Okay, so I'll wait for the answers. And she showed here the lesson 7. Okay, so I clarified this part po ba or yung lesson 6. And then this is the image that she showed me. Forgive us, but ano kasi yung image, no? Different orientation. But basically, the question is, what is the appropriate statistical test na gagamitin? No, yun yung question niya. So, ito yung lesson 7, di nakapag-review, umuulan, Davao Oriental. O yun, shout out to all the people in Davao. Pero pasahan na mamayang hapon. So, I have given her the answers ng phi coefficient, t-test, regression, t-test or one-way ANOVA, frequency, and chi-square test. And I said na ito yung nasa video ko, yung sa'yo iba ata. But later on, na-clarify namin na ito yung mismong question niya. Okay, so first and foremost, disclaimer lang, no, linawin ko lang, I am not a statistician, but I have had my own share of experience in um, treating data statistically and of course interpreting statistical data that is presented. Okay, ngayon, paano ba natin nakuha yung sagot? Okay, the answer lies in the same module. Okay, you don't have to look very far. No? Actually, these are the questions. No? Ito yung laman ng tanong niya. Sa activity 3, there are actually 5 questions, kaya I have given her 5 answers. Now, dito, yung first question is, this is the title, the relationship between academic stressors and learning preferences of senior high school students. So, bakit ang sagot natin ay pi coefficient? Okay? So again, you don't have to look very far kasi nandito lang yung sagot mo. This is your answer, no? So, first, you answer pi coefficient because we are using or we are testing the relationship between two variables. And when we have variables that are non-parametric and nominal and dichotomous, therefore, ang gagamitin natin ay yung pi coefficient. Okay? And dito naman sa pangalawang question natin, no? Reading electronic materials as a support for vocabulary of grade 1 pupils. Ang sinagot natin dyan ay t-test for independent sample. So, again, bakit naman t-test for independent samples ang ginamit natin? Kasi parametric siya. And what we are trying to determine is yung difference between two data sets. So, meron kang dalawang data sets, okay, of two different groups. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang main material na ginagamit, ano, for the learning material, main reading learning material, and then gumawa ka ng isa pa, no, that would serve as a support, no, additional lang siya. Yung pangatlo naman natin, regression analysis. Bakit regression? Kasi ang pinag-aaralan natin dito ay impact, no, of implementation of COVID-19 health protocols. So, kapag ka-impact ang study, okay, ang gagamitin mo dyan ay regression analysis. Okay? So, yan, nakalagay dito, pagka ang study mo, or if you would like to test the strength of relation or effect or impact, ang gagamitin mo ay regression. So, see, lahat ng answers natin are practically based from what is given in page 32, no? Let's say medyo naguguluhan ka sa test na gagamitin, you just need to define the test. And you can simply Google it, no? Madali lang naman i-Google yung name of test, no? Again, hindi naman tayo statistician. And at your level, I'm not expecting, teachers are not expecting you to be very well adept with the different types of statistical tests, no? So you just have to define it and justify bakit yun yung test na gagamitin mo. So that's it. I hope I have given answers for the first question. And para sa mga merong similar question, just watch this video and you will be able to answer that part of the module. So again, thank you so much. I will answer the next question on the next video. Stay safe. Happy New Year, everyone. And see you on my next video.